Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are well. So, children, let's continue our chapter. In my last video, we have discussed about doctrine of lapse. Today, children, we will read about the revolt of 1857. Let's start reading. All of you put finger in your book. The EEIC's rule affected the lives of people from different segments of society, means between different parts of society. The Indian sepoys who worked in the British Army, the poor peasants, the local Indian rulers and landlords, and the common people all suffered under the unjust company rule. Now, children, who are Indian sepoys? Indian sepoy means Indian soldiers who serve in British Army. That soldiers are called Indian sepoys. Sepoys. These are children peasants. Peasants means people who cultivate land. Children, the Indian people, the Indian sepoys, landlord, rulers, farmers, and common people all suffered under the unjust rules of company. It was the Indian sepoys in the British Army who finally revolted against the British. Children, the main cause of this revolt was a new rifle. It was introduced by the British, Enfield rifle. See this new rifle, Enfield rifle, was introduced by the British in their army. And children, for this rifle, a rumor had spread that the new cartridge to be loaded in the Enfield rifle was greased with the fat of cows and pig. According to Hindus, cow was sacred, and according to Muslims, pig meat was forbidden by Quran. It was prohibited by Quran. This hurt the sentiments of the Indian sepoys. The sepoys were required to bite off the cartridge cover. The covering of these cartridges had to be bitten off before loading the gun. On March 29, 1857, near Kolkata, a young boy, Mangal Pandey, refused to use the Enfield rifle and shot down his sergeant. He was arrested, tried, and executed. When this news spread, many sepoys started the revolt. Many Indian soldiers who served in British Army also started the revolt. Because Mangal Pandey refused the use of Enfield rifle, the chief causes for their discontent included the payment of lower salaries than British soldiers, poor condition of service for Indian soldiers, and the reservation of the higher post in the British Indian Army for just the British. This revolt is also known as the First War of Indian Independence. Children, main administrative causes for the revolt of 1857 was high posts and handsome salaries were given only to the British. This caused frustration amongst Indians. The Indian sepoys were deprived of high salaries and promotion. Means high salaries and promotions were not given to the Indian sepoys. The highest post for an Indian was that of the Subedar. Military causes immense discrimination between the British and the Indians at every step, children. Farmers were forced to grow cash crops. Children, British forced farmers to grow cash crops like cotton and indigo. Indigo is a kind of dye. It is used for dyeing milk clothes, and these cash crops are great demand in European market. There was severe food shortage and famine, but Indian farmers had no need for indigo as they needed food grain to feed themselves. Children, this revolt of 1857 was also called the First War of Independence, Indian independence. Soon the farmers, craftspeople, and the rulers of some Indian kingdoms joined the revolt. Children, farmers, and craftspeople also joined this revolt. The handloom industry had been destroyed, weavers lost their jobs also. They declared Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, as their leader. However, the British crushed the revolt with an iron hand. Children, the sepoys marched to Delhi and declared Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal ruler, as the Emperor of India, as the leader of revolt of 1857. They declared Bahadur Shah Zafar as the leader of revolt of 1857. Now the main centers of revolt: Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Awadh, Jhansi, Calcutta. Now it is called Kolkata. Important centers of the revolt: many of the common people like the peasants and the artisans also joined this revolt. Now children, the heroes of the revolt, the leaders of the revolt: Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib, Tantya Tope, Mangal Pandey, Kunwar Singh, and Bahadur Shah Zafar. Now outcome, result: the revolt was completely suppressed and crushed by July 1858. Bahadur Shah Zafar surrendered to the British. Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Burma. Major impact of the revolt. The revolt was the first effort towards freedom and independence. People from different parts of India fought together against a common enemy, the British. Now the results of the revolt of 1857. The revolt of 1857 brought an end to the EEIC's rule in India. The power to govern India was transferred from the company to the Queen of England. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India and India became a British colony. The Queen appointed a Viceroy to administer India. Now what is the impact of the revolt? The control of Indian administration was transferred from the East India Company to the Crown by the Government of India Act 1858. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India. Here children, what is the meaning of colony? Colony is a country under political control of another country. Understood? And what is Viceroy? Viceroy is a person who is sent by a king or a queen to rule over another country. Children, hope you understood today's topic very well.